conflict management and leadership. So the process which we designed was participants who joined early, we give them assessment link. Some of you filled that assessment, so we shared the scores with you. What these scores mean, I will explain you during the course. Then we would go through the 5 conflict management styles and how they connect with leadership. So some of the situations or uh, case studies. So we all know what is conflicts. What are conflicts? So they are the difference of opinion while we are working together towards a common goal. Conflicts can be of 3 types. One is task conflicts over the goals, who is going to do what. The second is how we are going to achieve our goals, how it is going to be done. And third is about the relationship. So there could be conflict in relationships. So if you have read Dr. Stephen Covey and 7 Habits, so there are 2 paradigms or 2 perspectives, an ineffective and effective paradigm. So ineffective paradigm is a scarcity mentality where we say that the pie is only this much. The more the other person gets, the less I will get. So we have a mindset where we believe that whatever is available is limited. If the other person has more, I will end up receiving less. Effective paradigm or effective thought process is there is plenty for everyone and to spare. Even if we all distribute whatever we have, still we will be left with something to spare, with everybody receiving their share. So important part is where we are going to talk about 5 conflict management styles. So when we talk about conflict, there are 2 things which play a part. So during a conflict between 2 parties, there are 2 things that play part. What are these 2 things? You can use the chat box or you can unmute and tell me. So what are the 2 things that play major role during a conflict? You can use the chat box or you can unmute also and tell me. What do you think are the 2 things that play a role? I will try to refer the chat box also from time to time.
Uh, this side, Satish, can I speak?
Yeah, please, of course.
As per my understanding, one of the point is control. Whether I want to control
Right,
or I don't want to be controlled. These are the
right,
2 dimensions.
right. So thank you very much for that wonderful thought. So emotions, difference of opinion, that is there. Thank you. Janvijay says ego. Any other thoughts that come to your mind? What are the 2 important things that play? Both sides of the stories differ. So that's wonderful. Yeah, so that's true. So same situation, 2 different perspective by 2 different people. Any other thoughts that come to your mind? Courage and consideration. So thank you very much. Win and lose. Yeah, good. Control resources available. Thank you. Finding the needs and values. Yeah, disagreements. So great negotiation. Great. So let's see what I have in simple words. So courage and consideration. You are right there. What I put it as concern for self, or when there is a conflict, 2 things that play are concern for self and concern for others. So when I am into conflict, I am thinking only about my benefit, or even if I am thinking about the other person's benefit. So if I plot this on a paper, this is how our matrix would look. So let's see what is the top one, where the concern for self is high and the concern for others are low. So when the concern for self is high and concern for others are low, what do we get? What kind of a person do we get where in conflict the concern for self is very high and concern for others are very low? So win-lose, you are right there. Thank you. Any other word that comes to your mind? So win-lose is perfect. Any other word that comes to your mind?
Righteous.
Right, yes.
Righteous.
So self-righteousness, that is also there. Thank you very much. Other word that comes to your mind, yeah, Vijay says selfish. Vrinda says self-centric, right?
Yes.
Devashi says selfish, yeah, right? So you say selfish, I would put it as compete. So when we compete with someone, it is basically where we are thinking only about ourselves,
Right.
right? When India is playing against Pakistan in a cricket match, so Indians are only worried about how to win the match. They are not worried about what will happen to Pakistan if we win. Similarly, Pakistan is also worried about winning the match. They are not worried about what will happen to India if we were to win or they were to lose. So you see, competing plays a huge role where the concern for self is high and concern for others is low. So I represent that by lion. So I am representing that for lion for our future reference. Concern for when the concern for others is high. So my request to everyone is please be on mute. You're free to unmute whenever you want to. And we are connected on Zoom, online platform. If you miss my voice, if something goes wrong, you can let me know and I will immediately repeat for you. When the concern for others is high and self is low. So do we come across a situation where our concern for others are high and for self is low?
Yes, there are.
So anything, thank you very much. So anything, any situation you can share, think of where the concern for others is high or for self is low.
What I think of is example of Mother Teresa.
Right.
So, you know, so much for others that
Right.
she left her life,
Right.
entire life providing
Right.
help and support to others.
Right. So when we get into philanthropic work, definitely we have higher concern for others than self. Any other situation? Thank you very much. That comes across when the concern for others are high.
Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi.
So true. Mahatma Gandhi. Any other thing? Leaving aside extraordinary people, for a common man, concern for others high, self low. Anything that comes to your mind?
Generally, people who donate, they are the people
Right.
who can feel the misery and deprivation of others, and that is the
Right.
reason they help financially.
Right. Right. Great. Thank you very much. Any other thoughts?
Yeah.
Anything that comes to your mind where
One
any
more thing comes,
Yeah.
provided
please.
I am not felt that I'm only speaking.
It's okay.
This is
Doesn't matter.
my
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah.
See, many people have knowledge in the world, but everyone
Right.
doesn't share that knowledge. But
Right.
trainer is one community of professionals
Right.
or group of people who actually
Right.
selflessly share the knowledge.
Right.
So now this doesn't happen automatically. There
Right.
is a orientation of the trainer to support others, to help others, and
Right.
because of that basic
Right.
nature, the trainers selflessly help others in sharing the knowledge.
Right. Thank you very much. Any other thoughts that come to your mind? Concern for others are high, self is low. Army selflessly, yeah. So army selflessly protect people, our countrymen, even if required, they sacrifice their lives. For a common man, concern for others high, self low.
Sir, may I speak?
Yeah, please, please go ahead. Yeah.
Sir, we have seen, I want to relate to this current situation of pandemic where
Right.
many volunteers have, presented themselves, and during this pandemic they have helped others and they
Right.
have helped the medical. it is not only the doctors and nurses who are doing
Right.
this work. I completely give salute to them, but there is a common man also who
Right.
as volunteers. It is one of my students who has done this particular service in
Right.
state Gujarat for 25 days.
Right.
So this is one of the examples I want to give.
Right. I request rest of you to please be on mute.
Can I say something?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So especially when you are asking about the common man, I think the example which comes to my mind is uh, many people, they have high concern for their family members compared
Right.
to themselves.
Right. Right. So thank you very much. So when it comes to family, most of us, my request to everyone is please be on mute. I will just check. Yeah. So if I keep everybody mute and I continue, then it would be a one-way communication, which I really don't want to. So my request is please keep yourself on mute.
Sir, if you are okay, you can. If you are okay, you can make me co-host. I can do that for you, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Mark,
Sati Sarthi.
make us. Okay, I have done you. Okay. Thank you very much.
My pleasure, sir.
Okay. So I have made you co-host. Thank you very much. So when it comes to our family, then generally our concern for others is higher, for family members is higher, rightly said by Ramchandra that, and concern for self is low. For example, if I have only 500 rupees left in my pocket and I am planning to buy a shirt for myself in that 500 rupees, and my son comes with a torn uniform, and I know now I need to buy him a uniform, and I have only that 500 rupees. So in all the probability, I will sacrifice my need and look at the need of my family. So we call it as accommodating nature or accommodate, and I will represent it by a chameleon. So if that is how we pronounce it. When the concern for self is also low and others is also low. What do you get? So any thoughts?
You surrender, sir. The person will surrender to. He would not think of winning, and he will not be bothered with the losing. Which
Right,
means he will not take action.
right, right. So thank you very much. So he will not take any action. So he will avoid.
Okay.
So we will represent that with a tortoise. So when a tortoise senses a danger, what would it generally do? It will go inside its shell, right?
Shell mode में.
However, going inside the shell doesn't mean that it is protected, right? If somebody is
Right.
hellbound to make a tortoise soup and eat, he will definitely still be able to hunt it down, right?
True.
So that is avoid. The fourth one which we get is compromise. Now, compromise is something where we probably divide. So it is like 50-50. So we bargain, we negotiate, and we compromise. When we compromise, both the parties are not really happy with the outcome, but they have made some adjustment. So we represent that by a zebra. So to remember compromise and zebra, it is black and white, 50% white, 50% black. And the fifth one is collaborate. So collaborate we will represent by a dolphin. So collaborate is where I find a way out where I also benefit and the other person also benefits. Right. So these are the 5 different conflict managing styles. Compete, win-lose, accommodate, lose-win, avoid, lose-lose, compromise. It's kind of a win-win, but a moderate one. And collaboration is where it's win-win. So think win-win is what Dr. Stephen Covey says, and it is patented by 7 Habits. So this is what is about 5 styles. Now let's look at the lion. So lion, competitive, always wants to win, and irrespective of the situation, lion would also always want others to lose. So if a leader is a lion or lion is a leader, so and he has a competitive nature, what he would say, it is either my way, so either you do the things the way I want, or you can find your own way out. So it is either my way or highway. So if you can't learn to cooperate with me, if you can't learn to cooperate, then I am sure I will find somebody who can cooperate with me. Accommodate. So he is ready to sacrifice himself most of the time for the benefit of the others. So he believes in self-sacrifice. He believes that it is okay for others to win and me to lose. So if it makes others happy, I won't challenge their views. I don't want to hurt their feelings. That is why I will keep quiet. So avoid tortoise. So he will avoid dealing with the problems head on. He will withdraw from the situation. And what he would say is, I don't have enough facts. So he is avoiding to take a decision or avoiding to take an action. So he would say, I don't have enough of facts, or I don't have enough of time, or you know the best way, you take a decision or you take a call. So he's not ready to take a decision, ready to not take any responsibility. Compromise. So he has that nature of compromising or negotiating. He would say that it's okay for me to win sometimes or lose sometimes, or okay for the others to lose sometimes and win sometimes. So I may win sometimes, others would win sometimes. So this is how it is. So I will let a person take something if he is ready to give me something, or find a middle way out. Collaborate. So collaboration, where he would sit together with the parties and try to find a solution where even he is happy and the other party is also happy. So he is not only thinking about his benefit, but he is thinking about the other person's benefit as well. So he would try to get everybody's viewpoints and find the best alternative. So when we talk about all these 5 conflict managing styles, which one is the best?
Sir, can I speak, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, collaboration is best.
So collaboration is the best. Any other thoughts?
Sir, if you talk
Collaborate is
about
best.
irrespective of the situation, then collaboration is the best. But it also depends on the situations, because we are not living in a world where things are operating in idealistic situation. So
Right.
sometimes it is also the situation
Right.
which will decide what is the ideal style or
Right.
most favorable style.
Right. So
This is my take.
Yeah. So thank you very much. So you are right there. So there is nothing right and wrong in this. All the 5 styles are equally important. It depends on the situation. So let us look at situations one by one, and you have to tell me which style is the best in this specific situation. So I have got around 20 plus situations, and you have to tell me. You can use the chat box, would be the best, or you can unmute and tell me. So my request to others to keep yourself on mute till that time, so that everybody can listen to whatever is happening without disturbance. So the first situation is when you find you're wrong. Which is the best out of these 5? What do you
Tortoise for
think?
me.
Sorry,
Tortoise for me.
tortoise for you. Okay. So thank you. Deepak says compromise.
I would say accommodate.
Right. Right. So when you find you're wrong, you will naturally accommodate the other person because you know the other you are wrong and the other person is right. So first thing what you would do is you would accommodate. The second situation, when quick decisive action is vital.
Lion.
Quick decisive action is vital. So I got one response, lion. Deepak says compete. Yeah. Any other thoughts?
Lion.
So you are right there. When quick decisive action is vital, then you compete because you don't have time to sit and discuss with others. You have to take an action and it has to be immediately, it has to be quickly. The third one, when issues are insignificant, small, trivial. Issues are
Accommodate.
small. Accommodate. Any other thoughts?
Compromise.
Compromise. Any other thoughts? Compromise or accommodate. So, okay, avoid. Okay, any other thoughts? When issues are insignificant, they have not much of value or they may not impact much. Deepak says avoid. Yeah, so you're right there. So it is avoid. Let's see the fourth one. When the goals are much more important to the other person than to yourself. When the goals are much more important to the other person than to yourself.
Accommodate.
Accommodate. So I got one response, accommodate. Any
Accommodate.
other? Accommodate. Okay, two.
Accommodate.
Accommodate. So you're right there. When the goals are much more important to the other person than to yourself, then naturally you will allow him to win and you will lose. When goals are moderately important.
Compromise.
When the goals are moderately important to both the parties. So I got one compromise.
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Compromise.
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts? So when goals are moderately important, because they are not really very important, they may not spend a lot of time collaborating. We would get into a compromise so that the issue is quickly resolved and we move towards the larger situations or more important issues or situations. To work hard through feelings that interfere personal relationships.
Collaborate.
So I got
Collaborate.
one collaborate. Rajnish says collaborate. Any
Collaborate.
other collaborate? Any other thoughts? So naturally, when feelings are involved, you have to understand the other person, his perspective, his or her perspective, how he or she feels about it. So naturally, we will have to collaborate. So you're right there. 7, to aid managerial development of subordinates. If I want my subordinates to develop as a manager or a leader,
Accommodate.
Accommodate.
so accommodate is one. Any other thoughts?
Accommodate.
Collaborate also. Collaborate.
Right? Any other thoughts? So accommodate, collaborate, anything that comes to your mind?
Collaborate.
Collaborate. So when we have to develop subordinates, people working with us, it is important that we also listen to them, their perspective. Many times we may have to accommodate as well because they may make mistakes and then we have to stand for them. But most of the time it will be collaborate. On issues vital to company welfare, when you know you're right. Now there would be issues where we know this is what you need to do. It may not be a popular decision, but you know it is vital for
Competing.
company or the organization.
Complete.
Competing.
So I got to compete. Any other thoughts come to your mind? So I got to 3 compete also on the chat. So you're right there. It is compete. When resolving conflict, who could result in more damage?
Collaborate.
Compromise. Compromise.
So when resolving issue could lead in more damage. So if you resolve the conflict, it will be more damaging. So what do you do?
Compromise.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. So we avoid. Any other thoughts that come to your mind? So avoid is the right thing to do at this juncture, because obviously if you resolve the conflict then it could be more damaging. So you allow the conflict to be there, right? The next is when two opponents with equal power are strongly committed to their goals.
Compromise.
So one option is compromise. What else?
Collaborate.
Collaborate, another option. Any other thoughts that come to your mind?
I will change my response to collaborate now.
You will change it to collaborate, right? So obviously we will try to collaborate because both the opponents are equal, have equal power. So collaboration would work the best. To build relationship for later issues which are important to you.
Compromise. Because I can get better in future, as the statement says.
Right. Any other thoughts that come to your mind?
Yeah, compromise.
Compromise. Any other thoughts? So Deepak says compromise, then he says accommodate. Any other thoughts? Yeah, so
Tortoise also.
tortoise also. But in this situation, probably tortoise may not work because we want to build relationship for later issue, later.
Compromise. Compromise is best.
Right. So we want to develop relationship so that the relationship benefits us in future. So to develop that issue, to develop that relationship which will benefit us in future, what do we do is right now we accommodate the other person. We accommodate the other person, build the relationship so that when we need it next time, we will be able to gain more. Right.
Right.
On important issues where unpopular course of action needs implementing. On important issues where unpopular course of action need implementing or needs implementing.
Compete.
So I got one compete. I got two competes on the chat as well. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete. So when we have to take a unpopular decision, so not necessary that every time people masses agree means it is going to be the right decision. Many times it is going to be not a right decision, even though it is a popular decision. So when unpopular course of action needs implementing, then we compete to gain commitment by incorporating others' concern. Now we want to gain commitment by incorporating other person's concern. So which style should be the appropriate one? We want to gain the commitment by commitment from other person. And we
Accommodate this
want
side.
Collaborative. Collaborate.
Collaborate.
So I got two collaborate here. So three collaborate. So to gain commitment by incorporating others' concern is actually collaborate. To arrive at an acceptable solution under time pressure. So there is a time pressure. Under this time pressure, you have to take a decision. You have to solve the issue. You don't have lot of time.
No time, then
Time pressure.
And compromise.
Compromise to
Compete.
arrive at an acceptable solution. To arrive at an acceptable solution under time pressure.
Accommodate.
Accommodate. Any other thoughts?
accommodate.
Accommodate. So I will repeat, to arrive at an acceptable solution. So it has to
Collaborate.
be acceptable and under time pressure.
Collaborate, I think.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete. Any other thoughts? So to arrive at an
Compromise.
acceptable solution under time pressure is compromise. Right? Because you have to arrive at an acceptable solution. So it should be acceptable to all the parties. And you don't have enough of time to discuss, to go around and find a solution like we do in collaboration. So under the timeline, under the time pressure, finding an acceptable solution to all is compromise. So next one, to gather information before taking any action. So I need to, before I decide anything, I need to gather some information to validate whatever I know. So what will I do?
Collaborate.
To gather
Collaboration.
information before taking any action. So I have to take an action, but I feel I don't have enough of facts or enough of data. Then what do I do? Any other thoughts that come to your mind?
Accommodate.
So I got one accommodate. Any other thoughts? Most of them were with collaborate.
Consult.
Accommodate.
Accommodate. Any other thoughts? So to gather information before taking any action. So I have to delay my action. So to delay my action, so that I can gather information, what do? I avoid the situation right now. I avoid it right now. I don't take the decision on it, and I wait. I try to collect more information on that. When objective is to learn.
Collaborate.
So when the objective is to learn, it is collaborate. When issue involves ethics and values.
Compete.
So I got one compete. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete two.
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts? When issues involve ethics and values. So when issues involve ethics and values, we will compete. So we will neither collaborate nor accommodate because we know our values and ethics are involved. The next one is when you see no chance of satisfying your concern. So you are in a situation where you know.
Avoiding.
So I got one avoid. Any
Avoid.
other thoughts?
Accommodate.
Avoid. Avoid.
So I heard avoid, accommodate. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete. Now you have no chance of satisfying your concern. So competing may lead you in further problem.
Avoid.
So naturally, the best way would be to avoid because anyway you are not going to benefit out of that situation.
Okay. Okay.
It makes sense.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. When harmony and stability are of prime importance. Now think over it. When harmony and stability are of prime importance.
Compete.
Accommodate. Accommodate.
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Collaborate.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts?
Collaborate.
When harmony and stability are of prime importance.
I think it is compete.
Compete. Any other thoughts?
Compromise. Compromise.
Compromise. Any other thoughts? So when harmony and stability are of prime importance, we may accommodate the other person. Because if we try to compete in this situation, it may further lead to disharmony or instability. So it's like We say, okay, let us live in peace. Even if that means I need to lose something from my end, I wouldn't mind.
Makes sense.
To protect yourself against people who take advantage of non-competitive behavior. To protect yourself against people who take advantage of your non-competitive behavior. What do?
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
Compete. Any other thoughts?
Avoid.
Avoid. Okay. Any other thoughts?
Compromise.
Compromise. Any other thoughts?
Compete.
So naturally, the question itself has the answer. See, people are taking advantage of you because you have a non-competitive behavior, right? So I was looking at the assessment. Many of the participants who filled their assessment had 0 in compete. So they don't have that competitive behavior in them, and people may misuse it against them. So they may take advantage of that. So then you have to start competing. You have to learn how to compete. To let people cool down so that discussion can be started again. So there is a conflict, the tempers are high, emotions are high.
Accommodate. You have
Accommodate. Any other thoughts?
Accommodate.
So I can see to avoid on the chat. I don't know whether it is for this situation number 21. To let people cool
Avoid.
down so that discussion can be started again. So I got one avoid as well. Any other thoughts?
Avoid.
Avoid. So naturally, because tempers are high, you cannot do anything at that time. We have lost our rational thinking during that conversation or discussion. So naturally, we will allow the people to all the emotions to settle down, logical thinking people coming back to their normal senses, and then start the conversation. Till that time, we will avoid the conflict. If you are outmatched and losing,
Accommodate.
so I got one accommodate for that. If you are outmatched and losing, so if you are outmatched and losing, what
Collaborate.
do? You if you are outmatched,
Collaborate.
if you are outmatched and losing, then you accommodate the other person and then you accommodate the other person and let it go. To achieve temporary settlement to complex issues. To achieve temporary settlement to to achieve temporary settlement to complex issues.
Compromise.
Compromise. So I got one compromise. Any other thoughts?
Compromise.
Same. Compromise.
So obviously it is compromise because the issue is very complex. It's going to take a really long time to actually find a solution, collaborative solution where both the parties are going to be happy. Till that time, what to do? So till that time, we compromise. To merge insight from people with different perspective on a problem. To merge insight from people with different perspective on a problem.
Collaborate.
I got one collaborate,
Collaboration.
collaboration. Any other thoughts?
Collaboration.
So it is collaboration to merge insight from people with different perspectives. So now we have a problem and we want perspective, we want different viewpoints from all the involved people. We are sitting in a boardroom discussing. We want insights from everyone. So naturally we need to collaborate. When others can resolve conflict more effectively. When others can resolve conflict more effectively, which style can we use?
Accommodate.
Accommodate. Any other thoughts?
Compromise.
Compromise. Any other thoughts?
Collaborate.
Collaborate. Any other thoughts? So when others can resolve conflict more effectively. So when others are capable of resolving the issue better than you are, what do you do?
Avoid.
So we naturally avoid. Because others, yeah. So because others are more equipped, more efficient in resolving that issue probably. So we avoid. As a backup mode when collaboration and competition are unsuccessful. As a backup mode when collaboration or collaborating and competition are unsuccessful, what do we do?
Accommodate.
Accommodate. Any other options, any other thoughts? So it's a backup mode
Compromise.
because collaboration and competition being
Compromise.
competitive is, so the best other option is compromise. When both sets of concerns are too important to be compromised. So when concerns of both the parties are too important to be compromised, then what do you do?
Collaborate.
So one is collaborate. Any other thoughts?
Collaborate.
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 Collaborate. Any other thoughts?
Collaborate.
So
I
it
think
is
it's compromise. It should
Yeah,
be
so
compromise.
the sentence itself has an answer. See, the
Yeah.
concerns of both the parties are too important to be compromised. So compromise is actually out of question. We need to collaborate because they are too important for both of them to be compromised.